If I could tell a friend about my experience about SeatMatch is just to continue to go with the process. They are drilling to get the best candidate for the position and making sure that your values align with the values of the organization that you're going to work for. Hi, I'm Marcio Lucas. I live in Santa Clarita, California. I am the Vice President of Retail Sales and Marketing. Throughout my journey with SeatMatch, I was constantly informed by the team. From the beginning, they set me a list of steps so I knew which steps I was in, and they were always informing me what the next step was going to be. Communication with the team was fantastic. I think most of the relationship building through those long interviews was, getting to know the person on the other side, especially in the beginning. With Oren, that was who I interviewed, basically about the culture fit and everything. So it was good to understand from, their perspective what they're looking for. And he really got me engaged in the process to understand more about Seat Match, build relationships with different people along the way, including with the hiring company towards the end. My interaction with the SeatMatch travel team was awesome. They kept me informed. We worked together to find the best times for travel and coordinated the best possible stay and length of time that was going to help me be successful at the interview, but also not interfere with other things that I had going. The confidentiality between myself and SeatMatch made me feel comfortable enough to speak of different things that I had going on, and also through the negotiation process to make sure both sides got the best what they wanted, making sure that both, employee and company are aligned and they venture in a successful partnership. What stood out for me the most on my experience with SeatMatch was just the involvement in the process. A lot of curiosity from my side, just from when we started in the process. And as a curious personality, I really wanted to kind of continue to go and understand how they were going through the process of hiring and different interviews and what they were looking for. So for me, it was a great experience and a huge learning curve. The questions asked and the tasks, either paid and non-paid, were very much on point. They really helped drive exactly what the job responsibilities of the position were and how I was able to align my skill level to those questions and those tasks. They're exactly looking for a person within the culture and within the skill level to be the best candidate for a long-term relationship. Seat match is the best at, really going through and understanding who the person is behind the screen and behind the job as a human being.